Some people use teleprompters with such ease, while others are uncomfortable reading their screen. It takes time to figure out how to successfully use teleprompters. It took me at least a couple of weeks to finally become best friends with my Big View teleprompter. Hi, I'm Joyce Weiss, communication coach and queen of conflict resolution. Big View, the company that created the easy teleprompter, invited me to present a webinar on speaking up without stressing out. One of my college professors gave me a gift while attending his class on deaf and dying at Oakland University when I was studying for my master's degree in guidance and counseling. Watch the video embedded in this post to discover the power of humor even during our darkest days. Contact me with your questions to create videos that showcase your personality. Joyce at joyceweiss.com. Thanks for watching.